In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a Baldwin Reserve keyed entry on your door. The door and door jamb need to be prepared as per the supplied template. This set will not fully function until the lock is fully installed. Measure the back set of your door. If the back set of your door measures 2 3/4 inch, adjust the latch by grasping the spring pin and moving it to the 2 3/4 inch slot. For this install, we will be using the 2 3/8 inch measurement. Determine which latch faceplate you need to use based on your door prep. We will be using a radius faceplate in this installation. Slide the back plate onto the latch and snap together the front and back plate. Install the latch using 2 1/2-inch screws with the bevel side of the latch facing towards the door jamb. Push and hold in the latch bolt while you insert the exterior side trim. Slide the interior trim on and fasten with the 2 screws provided. Install the interior lever first by aligning the hole in the lever with the set screw. Do not remove the pre-installed set screw. The hole in the lever will be facing towards the hinges. Insert the Allen wrench into the side hole to locate the pre-installed set screw. Turn clockwise to tighten. Move to the exterior side of the door. For a lever type assembly, install cylinder on exterior lever chassis. Align the hole in the lever with the hole in the chassis, opposite of where you see the pre-installed set screw. The hole in the lever will be facing towards the hinges. Slide the exterior lever onto the lock chassis. Insert the Allen wrench through the hole and turn the set screw clockwise. If installing a knob-keyed entry lock, install the cylinder into the knob with the key slot in the cylinder facing down. Next, install the knob collar with the hole in the collar facing towards the door hinges onto the back of the knob. Slide the knob onto the lock chassis and slightly rotate the knob back and forth while pushing the knob into place. Insert the Allen wrench through the hole in the knob and turn the set screw clockwise to hold the knob in place. When installing the strike, ensure the auxiliary bolt is fully depressed by the strike. Test the operation of the lever. Your Reserve Series lever is now installed.